Welcome to Excel with Excel. Today, we are going to learn how the index and match function work together. As you remember, in previous tutorials, we learned about the index function, which allows us to retrieve a value at a known position. We also have learned about the match function, which allows us to find the numerical position within a list. Well, now we are going to combine index and match. This is a very powerful feature because it allows you to look up values in a table based off of other rows and columns. So it's a bit more flexible. It's a lot flexible, actually, a lot more flexible than VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. So let's get started. So you see I have my chart here, sales rep, state, salary, region, project, and I am trying to find the sales rep, but I want to find it based off of the project. So what I'm going to do is create a validation list for project. You can look in the previous tutorials for that, but we will do it here. Data validation, list, source, so I want everything in project to be selected. Okay, so now when we scroll down, we have this list here. So I want to find the sales rep based on the project Suncoast. So this is how you perform index and match together. It is actually a nested function. So let's see, equals index, I'm going to do open parentheses, array. So where am I looking for sales rep? Here. So I'm selecting the sales rep column. Now you see it says row number is the next argument, right? In place of the row number argument, we are going to put match because match will do this for us. So match, open parentheses, the same way you use the match function individually. So we're basically putting in this formula. So match the lookup value. So what am I using to find the sales rep? Suncoast. Where is Suncoast located? Within this column. What type of match do I want? I want an exact match. That is 0. Closing with parentheses. And remember to add this last parentheses here to completely close up the argument. And then we press enter. And now we see Colleen is associated with the Suncoast project. Let me just make sure that that's correct. Suncoast, Colleen, that's correct. Now let's see what region she's associated with. So equals index, open parentheses. What am I trying to find? The region, right? So let me highlight, or let me select where my answer is. Now I'm going to type match, open parentheses. So now what am I using to find the region? I'm using the project. Where's the project located in? The project column. And what type of match am I looking for? An exact match. So now, since we created our data validation list, all we have to do is click on the specific project, and everything coincides here. See this? So let's just double check this, right? Project terabytes. The region is south, and the sales associate connected with terabytes is Liz, and that's correct. So again, it's equals index, open parentheses, the array, row number, that's when we input the match function, open parentheses, the lookup value, and the match type. Join us for the next tutorial. Thank you for watching.